kular hakanigasni. Mangantray hok yaki kamjong. Hado.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongki. Ke admission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
UMLA Karaniko constituency ba Pius Morwain Hakishpotrik Julio Araja upon Rio. Ula play pajba e government lower primary school Blashnat Thymmai Hakishnong Chibak Kashnong Badang Ham Southwest Khasi Hills district. Yakabala tailing baga state scheme infrastructure upgrade project phase 3. Hakijing lot gabakat sawu lak tingkatang. Hakijing play gani Ïeng school Thymmai la sakilang do SDSEO the Southwest Khasi Hills district uba SS Linkhoi officer bat QQA.
I don't want to hurt that we cannot send our children because no building school. I don't want to hurt that there is no teacher. If these two things is not there, come complain with me. I used to tell, come complain with me. I'll be there. I'll be there. Two things I want to remind regarding this government school. When I won election in 2018, first thing they came in newspaper that in Domyasiat there is the name of government school, but the government deny because there is uranium. They didn't give government school. Just I heard that just within 5 or 6 months, I put a scheme. Domyasiat now just maybe household around 15 or 16 household, but government school is there, teachers is there. Secondly, there is a one again complaint that in Rondangai there is government school, no building, but no building. Everybody, our people know Rondangai now. The school is nearby the road only. Just after I heard that, see Rondangai, government school is there or not. In each and every village, tell me, regarding government school, I don't want to hurt that there is no building, there is no teachers, and there is no student. This is my promise. Because we know government school, especially we help for the poor people. Because I don't want to lose each and every children without education.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.